#gcwalisa iMoses Mabhida Stadium on the 15th of December. Amandla, Commander Morning. Simema bonke abasebenzi, istruggle sabasebenzi lapha lesi engisimemayo. Bonke abasebenzi siyabamema eMoses Mabhida Stadium ukuthi bazogcwalisa iMoses Mabhida. Sonke njengabasebenzi beRAF2, iFederation Radical Action Federation of Trade Unions, sikhuluma nama-lawyers, umdabu lawyers led by comrade advocate uNdawo, wonke ama-unions bese sothi Labour Desk, MK Labour Desk asimobilizeni wherever we are, uwo wonke ama-province awu-9 simobilizela ukuthi i-stadium sigcwala abasebenzi. Sicela wonke umsebenzi noma ngabe kuthiwa ukuyiphi political organization, umsebenzi sicela ukuthi ube se-stadium eMoses Mabhida nizwe the commander of umkhonto wesizwe ememeza abasebenzi ukuthi ithini into yabasebenzi eSouth Africa ngomkhonto wesizwe. Njengoba sila on the ground, ilapho khona efanele nithathe khona imandate eMoses Mabhida. Mandla.
Molweni, dumelang, hapsheng, ligai, botani, Nkosazana yabaThembu kuPillow Talk. Nizville indaba ezovuyo olukhulu imile impilo nsi eMzantsi imenzi akukho into yenzekayo wonke amehlo nendlebe ndiyakholwa uba bebekwazi nangenyawo bebengade bazithwale bahambe besetsha umkhonto wesizwe.
Intatheli ezinohlonze MK Newspaper ikwethulela uhlelo belikadolenzeka laphana eMatthews May sawubona mlaleli.
Umhla we-15 zikaDisemba ubekwe njengomhla
obuholwa uConvener Jabulani Gumede kanye no-coordinator Mandla Gwala nobuholi be-Ward 5
uyazibonga nje ukhumbula lo mhlakazi we-16 kaDisemba mhla
iprogram yokuvula kwebridge endaweni
wakhutshwa uhili engcongolweni into bekade ifukanywa induku bekade ifakwe emqubeni ikhutshwa
ibridge ebelivulwa belise phase 3 kodwa ibridge belihlanganise uWard 5 kanye noWard 4 amalunga omphakathi ase-Ward 4 asisukumele lesisimo sokuwela
awukhathelanga umkhonto wesizwe
kazuma noba wafika lapho ukhathala khona
amavoti arikiwe ngamalusifari
umSamaria onesihawu oyilunga
esebenzisana
kodwa ongathandanga ukuba igama lakhe lidalwe
kodwa ke beyazi ke phofu into babazuphumelela qha ke ibingu-buying time mosintoba yeyi abantu basithathe nge-surprise besingalungisanga khange siyenze i-strategy so masirige amavoti just to buy time ukwenzela into kumkhonto wesizwe xa ungena ezintambeni uthatha ubuholi umbuso ubuyela ezandleni zabakhosi endabuko kube kuwukuthi at least sifihlile izinto phansi kwe-carpet satshisa senza ubufakazi be-looting and every atrocity that has ever been committed against
imisebenzi emihle eyenziwa
so that's all I'm going to say about that vote rigging. It's just time for ukuthi i-apartheid ne-agents zayo akukho noma bakulo usathana wabo ke ngokungekho semthethweni akukho bayiqabaza nje i-constitution wonke umthetho ekuthiwa khona na-Roman Dutch lawyers bayiqabaza so kodwa ke umkhondo wesizwe nanzi akhange ulinde loo nto leyo uthe kule 6 months masibe sisenza ezinto sibe sitshintsha impilo zabantu silungiselela a real typical real government in waiting. Awulindanga nje awukholondi nje kuphela siyazitshintsha impilo zabantu. Apha ke ngoku as umkhondo wesizwe uku-build up to Moses Mabhida kukho laa nto ithi hashtag gcwalisa Moses Mabhida nimvile ngumsuku ukuthi kodwa ke ngoku as part of showing evidence because this princess is not easy to satisfy. Ask questions into what is there to celebrate. Now I'm a commander. This is what we've done. This is what we've done. Nawe ke mbukeli bona ke nabo bufakazi sibubekile ukuthi kusukela kwi-labor desk bayasizwa bethu abantu abasebenzayo abangasebenzi nabasebenzayo besebenza phansi kwengcinezelo because ke i-tripartite alliance akukho kwayo dala bathemba ubukhosatu naba babematshela uPravin. So u-MK ke unento ekuthiwa yi-labor desk hayi shem iyazenza izibukwayo bayazenza amakhomanda abefundisi into ezibukwayo besiza abantu khathalise ukuthi unomsebenzi awunamsebenzi abantu sebekhalela ku-MK labor desk sebebasizile ke abaninzi nabo ubufakazi nizibonela obuninzi ubufakazi anizukubona kule video because this is the longest video that I've ever had to make
umsebenzi wethu
graciously
ukuresquisha i-ANC ngamanye amagama ukuyikhipha odakeni layifakwe khona enisoyikhipha bayathanda abathandi i-ANC ayi-ownwa abantu i-ANC iyabantu base-South Africa bonke kufanele ukuthi ku-ANC uzizwe umnandi uzizwe unelungelo
lokukhuluma
uzizwe unelungelo lokukhethwa uzizwe unelungelo lokusiza abantu bakithi
khona abantu thinking ukuthi bekusemzimvubu kwezalali zeTranskei yendalo xa kuwelwa into elusizi kuwelwa kufuneka bangene abantu emphandeni uvalwe nomphanda aqengwe ke lo muntu
ayifuneki lento okuthiwa i-corruption angazi ukuthi i-corruption yini inkohlakalo yebo ayofundisa emfundisi
umkhondo wesizwe naKwaZulu
ake sakhe
sempumalanga
isizwe esihlonishwayo sohlonishwa eMzantsi Afrika sihlonishwe Afrika sihlonishwe ezweni lonke
xa sithi ward 54 okanye ward 45 alibali
ward
54
umkhondo wesizwe
naseGauteng ukhona nase-Eastern Cape ukhona nase-East London ukhona kwenye nenye
ngizwa kahle
kodwa
ngishaya impela umuntu bayidelela
babakhele
umkhondo
so that community
likhulu kabi lelo gama solichaza
wesizwe ebetha kuwo
umkhondo wesizwe ushuthile waqhamuka kanjani siyeke laba bathi fake abangama-fake ke bona mabesho njalo zokugcina fake kodwa kasithule singakhuluma amagama abantu mfana
zininzi wethu izinto ezenziwa ngumkhondo wesizwe
akufuneke ninatheni wemazi bafowethu nakudadewethu ukuzobingelela nje ukuthi sinazi ukuthi
bangaba inqamuke phakathi
thina siyathatha iy'nquma
zininzi ezi-video clips ezenziweyo ngamakhomanda abantu bomkhondo wesizwe uzwelonke andiqondo abantu bazakwazi ukuzikaptshara
Shintsha imithetho.
Izawuhambe isplitha
I'm sure abanye benu labayazi ukuthi
izaba no part 1
kulowa
part
nyaka
2
oqala
apha
awuphethwe
inkosini
lensizwa
masiphele
okuthiwa
khona
kulamaphosi.
until i-15 ka-December.
Siyakhumbula sathatha
Showcasing and
inqumo
showing you South
njengombutho
Africans,
wesizwe
showing
ezesabekayo.
Tanzania, sizwe sikantu, sizwe
Siyakhumbula
sikantu.
sathi umhlaba ubuyele ebantwini ukwanikazi bawo. Sathi ibhange lezwe alibe yibhange eliphethwe yithi la-South Africa. Sasho nokuningi abaholi bethu abazange benze neyodwa esathatha isinqumo ngayo singama-delegate ANC basidelele. Wena ukushaya umphasi ukushaya ubiza amagama ade ngumfunda ukuze uyabona zonke lezichaza uma sesithi yini le ebangela ukuthi sithathe izinqumo ukuthi ngeke siyivotele i-ANC kalamaphosa. So bese sichaza somchaza naye ngoba umongameli we-ANC ukuthi usuka kungele uwuye ngempela yini. Yini le esithi noma kuyi-ANC enjengami ngiyithandayo
athunywe ngabelungu Stellenbosch Mafia.
uma sisemkhotweni sisesekhaya sisekhaya silungisa ikhaya. Kuhlupha lo muntu esishaka siphathela ekhaya ufuna ukusikhipha siyamkhipha-ke sombamba simlahlele kude.
Yize
Kodwa siyichaza
kuyindaba yokuthi noba kuthiwa umuntu uyayidoktarisha ipicture
Siyabonga ungayibuzanga. Siyabonga mshini wami.
So nina ke haters and naysayers, whilst you are focusing on Hlakazi Umkhondo without Tafisa abantu balanced nibe nekhononda nisenza ngathi you have the interest of Umkhondo wesizwe, whereas you have narrow interest aninazo interest zokuhlanganisa isizwe sikhululeke ngaphansi komfelandawonye kukho namakhomanda amancane abofoyezi athi bagwaze Mkhondo kaZuma gwaza Mkhondo komanda abantu bengezozima nje ngeke out of his own sponsored education more than 25,000 out of his own pocket. Singakubali ke manje oku akwenzileyo ebekwenza ngemali ye-state as upresident. The clinics, the universities, the infrastructure, indlela sekubaliwe kwezinye kodwa sibala ezenziwe nguPresident Jacob Zuma. It is the very same President Jacob Zuma owabona ukuthi akasungule inhlangano, an NGO ekuthiwa iSola Bafelwakazi, elalina more than 20,000 members. Ngisho mangithi members ngisho kungabafelakazi, bafelwakazi, widows, only in KZN, and that was funded out of his own pocket through the Jacob Zuma Foundation. Manje uPresident Jacob Zuma seka usungulile umkhondo wesizwe wakhe. Usungule futhi iphulo lokubhekana lokuthi kuhlangabezwane nabantu abadala nabantu abakhubazekile. They are benefiting. Will also be showcasing ezo zinto ezenziweyo abantu asebebenefitile ngandlela thizeni, kodwa zezinye zezinto ezenziwa uPresident Jacob Zuma engeyopresident since 17 December or 2018 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 7 ways. 7 ways. Engakube ngabe uma ngabe sasinga hijackerwa campaign ye-radical economic transformation ne-land expropriation organization ne-nationalization nokushintshwa kwe-constitution ne-unification ne-decolonization ne-BRICS Bank, because kwakuse ulonjwe i-BRICS Bank, i-headquarters zayo zizawuba lapha eSouth Africa. Babona ama-Stellenbosch mafia nama-puppets wabo ukuthi yo, i-BRICS inemali, it's even richer than i-IMF ngalanto G20, G7, G8, zonke ezazinto zokubhanqa zasewest zingancedisi, ngasincedisi babona ukuthi kodwa bafuzileke amalungu womkhondo uma kwazi uletha kuwezibikothweni akope president
Baduduzeni kuzobanga. Hey baduduzeni kuzobanga.
Sizwe simnyama endingelele ngokuzithoba nakuba sihlukene nje ngamakhategori ahlukene asibambezelayo ukuthi sibone impumelelo empini esibhekene nayo yengcindezi. Izinto esibhekene nazo ziyafana, ingcindezi efanayo. Noma ngingathiwa wena uyi-sector ye-academia okanye uyi-Christian okanye uyi-Islamic okanye usebungomeni okanye usedlozi, empeleni the point is ayikho impi esizoyilwa si-divided. Simele ukuthi silahle lokhu okusihlukanisayo, isifokase esitheni nokuthi asikwazi ukucelebrate anything sisempini. What are we celebrating? Think about it.
Comrades, friends, patriot, ngidalele ngitshele nathi umonakalo okhona njengamanje usey'nkundleni inkampani le yensipho iMac isithathe yasisa e-High Court mhla ka-30 October ngomhla ka-29 isibhedlela, but ngomhla ka-30 siyakhala kusho ukuthi i-birthday yami ngizoyi-enjoya ngendlela yalo nyaka ukuthi efanele ngisemshado, but-ke ngenxa yomsebenzi, ngenxa yelungelo efanele sinikeze umsebenzi waseSouth kumele sibe khona e-court. E-court yini le esithathwa ngayo bathi laba abasitshajayo kumele thina sehlise isithunzi senkampani sasiletha into disrepute okwenza ukuthi inkampani ibone kunesidingo ukuthi thina njenge-MK Labour Desk sitshajwe. Na umbuzo wami-ke ongafiki enkantolo engiyalo enkantolo ukuthi isiphi isithunzi ekufanele sivikelwe eSouth Africa sebhizinisi nesithunzi ukuxhaphaza abantu ngoba unebhizinisi kufanele senze njani sithule singashoni lutho. And banginikeze i-ultimatum bathi mina Friday bathe ngo-4 kufanele ngibe sengiyidilithile ukuze i-poster ku-TikTok. 2 kufanele mina ngo-4 ngibe sengikhiphe i-apology yokuthi ngixolise kwi-South Africa yonke ukuthi ngenze iphutha uma ngithi umuntu omnyama uyahlukunyezwa enkampanini, ngenze iphutha. So kufanele kulunge i-image yenkampani, i-image yomuntu wakithi omnyama aqhubeka besigqila ngenxa yesinto. Bafowethu-ke iqiniso lithi akwazanga tekona ngicela ukuthi sibe ne-physical meeting ngoba bebengifaka nabameli babo kwi-Zoom meeting. Bathi no, I'm not going for Zoom, but I'm going for physical meeting. Ngicela sihlanganeni ukuze sikwazi uku-involva nabasebenzi okuyibona aba-affectekayo ngale nkampani esikhuluma ngayo. So at the end of the day ngathola ukuthi cha akusinjalo, basazoqhubeza udaba balise enkantolo njengoba-ke mhla ka-30. Into engiyicela kini-ke bafethu ukuthi mhla ka-30 ngicela wonke umuntu owumsebenzi aphathe iplakadi yakhe ezobe ithi no with the exploitation of workers. Iphinde ithi no unfair labor practice, no unfair dismissal. Ngifuna lezi zinto siye ngokuya siba strong kubaqashi bethu uma nonke nisupporta ngendlela efanelekileyo siyahamba nani on the day sizobe sise high court i-high court ilapha eDurban Central siyokhuluma nabaqashi bethu sibatshela ukuthi ngeke sivume at the high court level asikwazi ukuthi sikhashazwe izinkampani ngoba nakho zisifonela imali no asikwazi sifuna ukuthi inkampani nenkampani senze lento ye-socialism into ye-sharing of dividend in the company. This is where we are moving thina njenge-labor desk njenge-raft sizothi people must share i-profit in the company. Sizoyishera kanjani i-profit in the company uma amakhampani esaqhafaza abantu engangafuni ukubaholela unganginiki i-provident fund unganginiki amaholidi esonto unganginiki ilokhu i-double pay ngeholidi uma ngabe ungangijoyineli kukhoya uchaza ukuthi mina ngubani kuwe I'm what? I'm animal. No, isithunzi somuntu omnyama isithunzi somsebenzi siyanaso phambili e-high court. Ngicela ke bafowethu ningaba amavakazi sithi thina sesimlwele ngapha nina mase kufanele ethe ninga-ethi siyahamba ke siya high court siyokhuluma udaba lenu labasebenzi bensipho sithe abonke abantu base-South Africa ake bame ngendaba kaMeku because ixhaphaza abantu. So this is what we are saying and we are continue to say this until ke sibhale inhlombe sobhalo kanjani ngoba sebehlulekile ngama-ground siqhubeka ngoba sazi kahle ukuthi akasekho umuntu kaZulu unless there is no law in South Africa then someone can close our mouth because uma kusekhona i-justice kusekhona i-labor law kusekhona i-basic condition of employment act kusekhona i-labor relations act ake sibuke yona ukuthi ithini ngabaqashi abangafuni ukukhokhela abantu according ilokho siyacela ukuthi noma lapha i-flag card yakhe ngoba sizobe sizobe siqondene ngqo nesimo and asizukusatshiswa ngey'nkantolo forget uma usacabanga ukuthi sizokutshena into kufanele kuyenze ugijime uye enkantolo angeke uzusabise ngempela because sifuna kulunge izwe. There is justice in this country. There is labor laws in this country. Sifuna ke lawo leyo justice ikwazi ukuba prevailed against the voice of the voiceless. Leyo ngisinithi madla.
Today we are here to show support and we are supporting how workers union of South Africa. So yes, please go to their website.
Hello South Africa, hello hospitals, hello clinics, hello department of staff. And today we are here to introduce the HEWUSA. This HEWUSA is a Health Workers Union of South Africa. And this union is affiliated to RAFT, and I am a Secretary General of RAFT. So welcome HEWUSA to RAFT, Radical Action Federation of Trade Union.
Cleaners, a pro hospital Newcastle left without ox salaries by Kampanga Security. Cleaners.
Yazali nje la. Yazi silaka maphutha. Size office la kaKapongo. Jona boya leli hlathi address yakhe nathi. Leli hlathi esibekulo yona address kaKapongo. Ebekade sithola kwisigxiviso ebithi 2296 kwaMakhutha yona le esithola. So umbuzo ukuthi ithini ke lento bafethu esixoxa ngayo ngoba sixoxa phela manje in a peaceful way. Sifuna ukulungisa izinto but izinto ilungisa kanjani ehlathini nali ihlathi address yakhona ithi office lika Kapong cleaners wase Newcastle pro Newcastle cleaners nali office lakhe yiyo leli hlathi simthola kanjani ke bakwethu akenishwenini ngenini ababukana abaqashi ukuthi basenza kanjani la ehlathini sisuke ngeaddress yesigqivizo ithi isigqivizo 2296 kwaMakhutha ebesithi kwaMakhutha ebesithi mayiqedela ebesithi eMasimtoti nakho ke selisithathe leli hlathi ke laze lazosifaka lapha futhi sehlathini inkampani njalo leyoholela abantu ku-government esibhedlela esikhulu futhi hayi nanesibhedlela esincane Pro Hospital isetshenzelwa abantu abangenama-ofisi silala esikhona nangu Kapongo Cleaners akanawo ama-ofisi kodwa usebenzela u-government Department of Health nansi nakuna 2296 isigqivizo sakhe sisho njalo akukho umisleader the whole thing wenza ukuthi angatholakali nje mayifunakala abantu abaholile as we speak abantu abaholile sithi sizomtshela ukuthi abantu abaholile simfonele ucingo wathi uzobuyela kithi cha kabuyeli kithi Kapong Cleaners kunjalo ngifuna nibone ukuthi abantu bakithi abamnyama abaphethe inkampani basichaphaza kanjani no government wethu sichaphaza kanjani ngoba ungakwazi kanjani ukuthi uthatha umuntu oyi-non compliant uthi akaphatha umsebenzi omngaka uqede lapho wena uthi une-ofisi i-ofisi into engekho liphi abasinikeze sifuna ukwazi ukuthi liphi i-ofisi but-ke kunjalo-ke bangani bami nali ihlathi angikhuluma amanga nanti ihlathi bese kuthiwa uNgcobo-ke is busy with the black people akakayi kuba white hayi naku inkampani zeyinsipho angeke singamgaga no-Coca-Cola siyashaya ngoba kufanele akulungi izinto ngeke ukuthi ngoba umnyama uphethe ibhizinisi ucaba uzokutreat-a kangcono wena ubuxhaphaza abantu. We can't do that, we can't, and we will never do that. So bafethu-ke kulungile-ke, so now we are leaving to Durban. I'm sorry for ama-cleaner ase-Pro Hospital, very sorry bafowethu. Umlungu wenu unale address asinikeze yona, nathi asazi noma kumele singene mhlambe ukhona la ehlathini, we don't know, but-ke siyabonga kakhulu bafethu. Ama-security nama-cleaner bafowethu, hayi bafowethu, hayi uma ubona umzali wakho eyi-cleaner, ubona umzali wakho eyi-security, ubokwazi ukuthi lowo muntu akaneme. Uhlangana naye estradini, ungena egeyidini, wena uhamba ngemoto, yena ezokuvulela igate, ubokwazi ukuthi lowo muntu akaneme. Umbone ephethe imophu nebhakede, ubokwazi ukuthi lowo muntu akaneme. Laba bantu baqhashazwa abantu bakithi. Phumile manje emabhonweni bafowethu. Ngeke niqamba manje there's white monopoly, there's what. No, inina manje enixhaphaza abantu abamnyama. Sithini kulento? Siphuma kanjani kulento? Hayi ke sihamba naye ke bafowethu, siyaqhubeka naye. Fanele simise CCMA. Vele kusale sekuyolunga yonke into ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi asewufika nendawo sijahana nomuntu oyedwa. Lo muntu kudala lo muntu simjaha nesibhedlela sase Newcastle siyamprotecta, uvele kusithi sona sihlangene. Ungathi uhlangene kanjani ama-clean isibhedlela, ama-clean engaholile? Ufaka abantu abaningi, patient on the risk yokuthi zingatreateki iguli ngendlela correct, because uma ama-cleaner, ama-security, abantu okuyibona abaphethe abantu before wena ufike ebantwini benganeme, usho kanjani ukuthi wena awukho involved? What about the monitoring and evaluation? Laba bantu kusho ukuthi ke ayikho into abayaziyo abafundiswe yona i-department ukuthi fanele bamonithe ukuthi wonke ama-cleaner wonke ama-security akhokhelwa ngendlela na. Uma bengakhokhelwa ngendlela they must report it. Imali kahulumeni lena akuyona imali yokudlala nje, imali kahulumeni le ekufanele ibe accounted for. So ileyo nto-ke bafethu-ke kunjalo-ke wekapong hayi fana hayi ushayeleke wena ushayeleke inkinga ngempela-ke namhlanje babhayi-ke. Commander Morning, nasi isimemezelo esiphuthumayo somkhonto wesizwe elembeni. Ilembe lakhiwa ama-region awu-4, Indwedwe, Maphumulo, Emandeni, KwaDukuza. Kusasa mhla ka-25 njengoba kuwuMonday, siyothi enough is enough ukudayiselwa kwey'ngane zethu upoison wama-chips wama-sweet wanoma yini. Enough is enough ukudayiselwa umphakathi izinto ezi-expayile, izinto ey'shintshwa amaphepha kodwa zona sey-expayile bese umphakathi uba nezifo, iy'ngane zife. La i-KZN sina 50 cases officially opened wale yokubulawa kwey'ngane, ushevu wokudla, ama-chips, wonke lento amakipkip lena eninikeza iy'ngane ibuye inikezwe iy'ngane i-expayile, iy'ngane zilimale bese singazi ukuthi zilinyazwe yini iy'ngane zethu. So namhlanje-ke sizothi umphakathi wonke waselembeni including noma ngabe ukusiphi isikibha sepolitiki but umphakathi waseMandeni i-Youth League yomkhonto wesizwe elidwa uThami Mkhwanazi elembeni ithi akuze ukhukhulela ngoqo uzothi enough is enough. Kuyahlanganwa-ke lapha kuma-parking ase-Shoprite kuyiwa ku-magistrate siyomtshena ukuthi uma imithetho ingasebenzi eSouth Africa we are here as umkhonto wesizwe as i-Youth League ukuthi sithi enough is enough. Siyayifuna i-justice in our country. Ipaza shop lezi zama-Somalians, zama-Pakistan, zanoma yini ekhona nje elokishini azivalwe thaqa. Nasemakhaya ayivalwe thaqa ngoba zisilethela ukufa and it's an embarrassing ukuthi upresident uthi laba bantu aba-applyele ukuthi ba-own ama-spaza shop in our townships, in our rural areas. Uthi-ke uthi umkhonto wesizwe kwi-Youth League yaselembeni enough is enough. Sonke-ke njengama-regions omkhonto wesizwe iTheku namanye nje ama-regions bakuthi nabo kukhanya kude nabo kugcotshwayo nombana kashaya imoto siyoyivala thaqa umgwaqo wonke sithi enough is enough. Njengomkhonto siyenzile eThekwini yabonakala, sizoyenza futhi elembeni ibonakale. Sondelani-ke bafowethu sizokhuluma ngaso-ke sithi uma sifuna ukuthi sibe ne-generation ecacile ezayo asiqale manje kumela ukuthi abantu bakithi baphile impilo engcono. Ngike ngabuka kulento ethi ende-ke thina njengomkhonto wesizwe sinoxanduva lokukhipha iy'ngane esezingenwe izidakamizwa because ukubuka kahle kahle bonke lezi y'ngane esiyibiza ngamaphara yiy'ngane zethu ey'zalwa yithina and lezi y'ngane akekho ufika onalezi zinto oyingxenye yalezi y'ngane ney'ngane zabo futhi asiyona ingxenye yalezi y'ngane and zona ziyafunda zifunda futhi ey'koleni zifunda futhi ama-grant zihlala futhi ey'ndlini zama-grant zihola futhi ama-grant ziserviswa futhi ngama-grants. So now what we are saying thina njengomkhonto wesizwe sithi no, enough is enough. Asikwazi ukuqhubeka kanje siyisizwe. Nawe-ke ekhaya ungewona mhlawumbe umkhonto noma uwumkhonto uwumvoti noma abethi uvotela yini futhi inhlangano nawe uyaqafeka. Ake siphumeni nje inqina ngomsombuluko kusasa siyaqala ngo-10 nje 9 to 10 kuyahlanganwa ngo-11 zonke ziyasuka zibheke kamagistrate siyothi enough is enough. Siyacela-ke amadela ndawonye umkhonto wesizwe wonke kusukela kulena ke esiphatheyo esithi ke MK Labour Desk nalapha solvule desk lethu abasebenzi babe khona nakhona sizokwazi ukubasevisa MK Labour Desk sizobe sikhona bona abasebenzi sizoqala ukubasevisa mhlambe babonayo umuntu omsebenzi lona inkinga akafike lapha yana sizobe sikhona sodlala itafula babe khona abantu abazonilekelela ngoba kade bekhona abantu bethi sile elokufanele impilo sikhathazekile sofuna wonke amatafula kusasa ukuze msikwazi ukuba seduzane kwenu abasebenzi ababe khona ofu akafake iqembu lakhe ashone khona sobe sikhona njenge-MK Labour Desk njengo-RAFT njengama-unions omkhonto sizobe sikhona laphayana bese sicela-ke ukuthi-ke bese siyacela-ke ukuthi nawo wonke umuntu bafethu oyi-alliance yomkhonto kunale-unemployment underground nokuze forces nawo awabekhona ngoba lama-formations asikangaze sibe nayo indlela yokuwa-recognize asike siwa-recognize ukuthi awabekhona laphayana kusasa bese kuba khona awajwayelekile ko-women's league vele bayingxenye yoku-organizer i-youth league i-mother body sonke sobe sekhona veva msebenzi veva qina msebenzi qina thatha MK Labour Desk thatha RAFT thatha mandla viva msholozi viva